IBHS stands for Intensive Behavioral Health Services.
When there's behaviors that teachers may find difficult to manage, such as a child being aggressive, running out of the classroom,
Wherein it's really affecting their own successful learning and perhaps the learning for other students. Having that extra support and someone to talk to, in addition to myself or the teacher, it's great to have that neutral person who can help and, teach that student how to emotionally regulate to get back into the classroom for learning.
We work very closely with the city's managing director's office as well as with CBH, and we really listened to the community and came up with this model because what was in place, there were just so many providers in a school building.
And it was hard for schools to be able to know who the point person is.
And it really, really impeded the ability to form relationships between the schools and providers. It was a huge endeavor to take on so many schools and to really look at a process in a centralized way with one provider assigned to each school. That I think is really unique to Philadelphia. The school-based team functions as liaisons between the schools and IBHS providers.
At the beginning of the school year, we invite IBHS to join us just to give an overview of the referral process, what that looks like when a student is referred and then authorized for services.
Collaborating with CBH allows us to link the parent to resources and even connect the parent with mental health services of their own. It opens the door for further conversations.
And a central goal really is we want to work towards children being as autonomous as possible in functioning as well as possible in their natural settings.
It's so important that we have a collaborative relationship.
I'm not in the classroom all day, every day with the child. So the teacher is going to have data that I don't have. It's like putting together a puzzle, and we all have different pieces of the puzzle.
To me, a triumph is when you walk to a school and you can't tell who the provider is and who the school staff are. When all the adults are equally invested and when they're all aligned.
When we're all working together and on the same page, it really makes for a successful end story for our students.